What's up, guys? I'm Gabe from Studio CNG, and welcome back to another one of our 30 minutes a day challenges. For those of you guys just joining us, 30 minutes a day means doing something creative for 30 minutes every day in the hopes of getting better at whatever you're working on. Now, this week is a continued chat and discussion on transitions. So, what is transition? What do you even mean, Gabe? So transitions from the video world, or from how I see it, is how one clip stitches together with another clip. When you put them together, that's a transition. Now, transitions could be very technical, or it could be very simple. It could be something as easy as a hard cut, or it could be something really fancy like a masking cut. Or you could time it with some music. Or you could have a change in angle and perspective. It's just about how you want to tell your story and how you want to move what you're saying along. Now, I personally love transitions, love transitions. And I feel that it's in the transitions where you get to be really creative. It's where you get to tell the story how you want to do it and sparkle in some of your own personality into the story you're telling. Now, a same set of shots could be very fast paced, it could be hype, it could be exciting. Or the same series of shots could be slow, soothing, and calm. And I think that it's in how you do the transitions that you can create this effect and really show your style. Speaking of shots, when I'm out shooting or making videos, I do actively think about my transitions. I think about how I want to tell the story, how I want to show one scene to the next, actively looking for structures to block full screen so we can move it along with a mask. Those are definitely some things that I do keep in mind. Now, sometimes those shots work out for me because I'm so super new. Most of the times they don't. So for me, it's really important when I'm out to think about different types of transitions that I want to use, or different ways I want the clips to flow together, and take like a good variety of shots. And that's it. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for tuning in. Join me again next Wednesday, for more adventures of what I've been learning. I just love sharing this with you guys. Like, comment, sub, do all the fun things, and we'll see you guys next week.